What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at another creative product. This one is the Outlier Air. Now, this is supporting Bluetooth 5.0. It does have the Qualcomm aptX technology with the AAC audio codec. It is IPX5 rated, sweat-proof. It also can withstand like rain. Yeah, it might be able to withstand taking a shower, but you're kind of pushing it. It's not waterproof. Now, it does have dual voice calls. These ones are actually stereo, so they'll play in both ears, or you can actually take one out and put it back in and just use one. Now, each earbud, it has an impressive 10-hour battery life, which is actually really good for true wireless earbuds. It does have a case, and the case gives you an additional 2 charges, so it gives you a total of 30 hours, so you're definitely good for the whole day. Oh, that's clean looking. Ooh, nice. All right, so we got the case. This is made out of premium aluminum. It's got a USB Type-C port right here. You've got your battery indicator lights on the side, and you push it, and there you go. That's where you put in your earbuds. All right, we got an instruction manual, different languages, and a warranty, worldwide warranty. And we have a pretty small USB to USB Type-C cable for charging, and 1 extra set of ear cups. All right, hey, those are clean looking. Oh, I like that. I like the little design they got on the side. Oh, that's their A. That's the A logo. They're really clean looking, very lightweight. These things are super lightweight. It's all plastic. You got your rare earth magnet and your connection points for charging. You get your main button. Uh-oh, I just turned it on. And you can see there's a microphone there and a microphone there. So it's got microphones on both sides. When you actually plug them in, they automatically turn off. They do have auto pairing, so as long as you've had them paired up to your phone before, as soon as you pull one or both of them out, it'll immediately pair back up. Now, it doesn't matter which one you pull out. If you pull the left one out, it'll automatically pair up to your phone, and this becomes the main unit. Then you pull the right one out, and it connects to the main unit, or if you just put that one back in, it'll switch over to the main unit. So you can use them independently of each other, which is fantastic. Pairing. It's good, solid. All right, there we go. So it actually labels it L and R for right and left. Wow, I cannot hear myself talking. That is a seal. So here are the controls. You've got left and right hold for 1 second to turn them on. Then you can pause and play with left or right. With the right one, you can actually go forward, left, backwards, hold the right one for volume or hold the left one for volume down. The main unit, you tap it twice and it immediately pulls up Siri or Google Assistant. But that's cool. I'm liking that. All right. Wow, I can't hear myself at all. Wow, these are good. Really good range of sound. All right, I'm gonna do, no, go back. See how bass sounds. Whoa, that's not bad. That's not bad. Let's try the classic. It's definitely picking up that low bass really well. Oh, I'm liking that. Okay, let's check Good Mythical Morning. I'm gonna check the latency. Very clear, no latency. I'm gonna do a distance check. I'll be right back. All right, pause. Pause works. Wow, a little disappointed. I got about like 19 feet and then it just started cutting out completely. Let me do the back pocket test real quick. It's, creative. What are y'all doing, man? It's supposed to be better than that. That's not good. Let's make a phone call. Brother Jesse! Test out some earbuds, bro. This might hang up on you. Hold on a second. Cool, so that worked. Using the Jesse scale 1 to 10, how do I sound? 5 being what you'd expect. About a 5? Okay, so it's not like my mouth hole is in your ear hole. Okay, well, all right. I gotta say, it handled the bass really well. I think the mids and the highs were both really good. I think the sound quality is top notch, but I gotta say that connection is not good. That is a step back from where we're wanting to go for true wireless earbuds. For those who have tried true wireless earbuds know that one of the first issues with true wireless earbuds in the earlier generations, like last year and the year before, was connectivity. They're claiming that it's 5.0, but I got about 19 feet and it broke up, and then as soon as I put it in my back pocket, it was breaking up so badly. They're selling these for 80 bucks. I love creative, but I gotta say, these are not worth $80. If you guys are gonna be pushing out $80 true wireless earbuds, you definitely need to have a connection. That would be, I would say, the only improvement that I would make with these though. I love the design, I love the shape, they are very comfortable. They actually say all day comfort. I believe it because as soon as you put it in your ear, it's like a warm pillow in your ear. They're great. Fix the connectivity issue and you guys have a winner. But either way, you know what? I'm gonna surprise giveaway. I wasn't planning on giving them away, but you know, I want to give them away anyway. Okay, so down below in the description, I'm gonna leave a link over to rafflecopter.com. The minimum requirement is to subscribe to the channel. That's really all you have to do. Do the other options, but those are purely optional. You don't have to do it, but if you do, it'll increase your odds of winning. But either way, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.